In Vim, you can compare two files for differences. It's built into Vim, it's diff. So, for example, if we open the first file, x.py, we can then compare it to another file by typing escape, :virt, diff splits, that shows you the differences between the second file, and then the file name, for example, in this case, y.py. And then you'll see the lines where the files are different highlighted. And in red, we see what the differences are. For example, on this line, we have an I instead of an L. We have a G instead of a Q. There's an extra equality sign, an exclamation mark. So again, if you are inside Vim with any file and you want to compare it to another, you can do escape, :virt, diff splits to compare the differences, and then the name of the second file, in this case, y.py. And you'll then see the differences between those two files. And of course, if you edit it, so let's go to the file on the right, Ctrl-W, right. Let's say we replace this with an I, then it's no longer different because now they are the same line. However, if we make a change, so let's say we change this into another letter, it instantly highlights that line that it is different than the original file or the other file.